Hello everyone, so my name is Chelsea and today I'm going to be restarting my YouTube channel. So basically a year and a half ago I did my YouTube and I did a few videos but I just didn't carry on. I don't know why, I just didn't. I think I was really busy at the time, and obviously now we're in lockdown I have so much time on my hands, and I thought I was thinking about it for a while actually, and I thought, do you know what, I'm actually going to restart it. So I've been doing loads and loads of makeup pictures all over my Instagram. The account I will list below. But basically I just want this YouTube channel to be all things beauty. So I am a makeup artist and I've done all different types of looks all over my Instagram. But I just basically wanted to do a little mixture of things. So I'm not a hairdresser, but I love doing hair, and I love, you know, showing people how I do my hair, and in a sense, and like doing tutorials. So yeah, I just thought today my first video will be based on the Beauty Works Molly Mae curl kit. So I got this, I think a few weeks ago. I think it was like the beginning of lockdown basically. And I've wanted it for ages actually, because I've heard so many amazing reviews on it. And you know, I love Molly Mae as well. I absolutely love her hair. I love Beauty Works, and the stuff just seems amazing. So I thought, well, I'm just gonna get it. So I got the actual kit. So I didn't just get the wand, I got the whole kit. So the whole kit basically includes obviously the curling wand, and it also includes this like a little bag, which is really cute. You get your sectioning clips, which is also like your pin curl clips, so obviously you can use this to section your hair. You can also use it to hold the curls in place. You also get like a little compartment zip that you can obviously put the curler in and stuff as well. We also get, with the kit, you get a heat protecting glove. It's a bit dirty, I've got a fake tan on it, which isn't great. And you also get like a bristle brush, which is obviously great for extensions as well, because I do have hair extensions in. So this brush is really good. It doesn't pull on the extensions at all. So just a little disclaimer, I am not a hairdresser. So obviously if there's hairdressers watching this video and they're like, what the hell is she doing? Sorry about that. But I'm just basically going to show you guys how I use the curler myself. And also please in advance forgive me for how my hair's going to look when I pin curl it, because I don't pin curl it the neatest way, I must admit, so it might look like a nest on my head. So just thought I'll let you know on that. So yeah, let's get started. So there's going to be a few things that you're going to need obviously to do this hair kind of look. So the most important thing is heat protectant. So I'm using the Beauty Works heat protecting spray. Get this on the Beauty Works website. You can obviously buy it individually, but I basically got this in like a set. So that's the main important thing, is obviously heat protectant, because we're going to be using styling tools on our hair. We need to make sure that you're protecting the hair. Obviously I've got extensions in as well, and please excuse the state of my roots. I do have a scalp bleach usually, but obviously because of lockdown I haven't been able to get my hair done. And I'm surprised my extensions are still in actually. So yeah, so the first thing you want to do is spray the heat protectant on your hair. So I kind of start from the top, work my way down. Whilst I'm doing that actually, I'm just gonna plug the curls in. Plug those bad boys in. So basically with the thing, obviously it's off at the moment, you just want to press the middle button. And I'm gonna set it to 200. Get your Tangle Teaser or hairbrush and just brush the heat protection through, just so that it's basically dispersed throughout the hair and it's not just in one area. I'm gonna curl my hair from the top down. I know that sounds a bit of a weird way, but I just feel like because I'm pin curling I find it easy, otherwise I just kind of get lost in it. Like when I actually pull my sections down, I'm losing, I don't know where to go basically. Whereas like I feel like I could just visually do it and it's just easier. I find it easier, but obviously completely optional however you want to do it. It's just obviously how I do it. So I'm gonna start. Get your glove on, girl. Get your glove on. Okay. Also, I burnt, last time I used this curler I actually burnt my face. Little fun fact. Actually burnt my face, and I thought it was gonna scar, which isn't great. So for this bit guys, I'm just doing a quick voiceover just because I found it a little bit easier. So with this first section, you're just going to curl away from your face. So the kind of the hairs that are framing your face, you want to curl away just because it's a lot more flattering. And then you want to hold the curl in place just so it can cool down. And then basically you want to grab your pin curl clip or sectioning clip, and basically you just want to create that curl with your fingers, and then grab the clip and just pop that in place. Now I'm onto my second section of hair, and just basically repeating the same thing, making sure I curl away from the face. And then basically what I'm going to do after I've held this curl is I'm just going to conjoin it with the first section of hair using the exact same clip. I'm now just going to speed this up for you guys, but basically repeating the same process throughout the whole head. Try and catch the curl if you can. If not, you can just kind of roll it up into like a pin curl shape and just clip it in, and you'll still get the exact same effect. Don't worry if it's messy looking at all. Honestly, it really doesn't matter. At the end of the day, the main important thing is clipping the curls into place just so that they can cool down. Right, okay, so that is all of my hair pin curled, and it is currently set in. Obviously it doesn't look amazing, it doesn't look really neat and stuff. Obviously, like I said, I'm not a hairdresser, but honestly it doesn't have to be neat. Literally setting it is basically just going to make the curls last longer. Obviously it's not a necessity, you don't have to pin curl it, but obviously if you want it, if you're going on a night out and you want it to last all night, or also if you want it to stay in until, let's say, when you next wash your hair, obviously recommend that you do pin curl it and do set it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this set for a good 30 minutes. I'm just going to spray it with some hairspray. It's basically just going to make the curls last longer and, you know, make sure they're all in place. It just makes them hold a lot longer. I just like swallowed that. I'm just using a Tesco's hairspray, nothing that fancy. And I will show you what it looks like when I take mine out. Guess who's back? Back again. And I have let my hair sit for about 25-30 minutes, so it should be ready to take out. So we shall see what this nest is going to look like. So I'm just gonna take them out. Oh, nice, so nice. Obviously you don't have to use the pin curls, but it just is going to keep it in for so much longer. Oh my god, I'm loving it. See, it doesn't have to be neat. It doesn't have to be neat, guys. Don't judge. Trust the process. It's fine. It's fine if it looks like a bird's nest on your head. It's fine. We can sort that out in a minute. We can sort this out, it's fine. Whoa. And then she does recommend that you use the Beauty Works brush, and it shouldn't brush it out because obviously we have set it. It's just going to make it look nice and bouncy. I always like to tuck this bit behind my ear. That's so much better. Just brushing it all through. And you can kind of like fiddle with it. Literally love it. So the finishing product I'm going to use is the Beauty Works Argan Serum. I'm just going to put like a few pumps on my hand, rub my hands together and just kind of bring this through the hair. This is just going to make the hair look really nice and shiny. I know Molly uses a serum as well, so I do highly recommend the serum. But literally you don't need to be a pro hairdresser to do this. Like, I mean, you saw the state of my pin curls, so if I can do it, you can do it. So literally get a blow dry look from your own home. So yeah, I really highly recommend this product for sure. It's so easy to use. Obviously, honestly, if I can use it, anyone can use it. Like you guys saw the state of the pin curl nest on my head. And if it turns out like this, honestly, it just goes to show it doesn't really matter how neat and tidy your pin curls are. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Show me some love, and please follow me on my Instagram, which is glam_by_Chels. I will leave my Instagram down in the description box below. But yeah, please show me some love, and also feel free to comment in basically any ideas and any suggestions that you guys want me to do for my next future videos. But thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.